Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Interactive Brokers. First, navigate to the Interactive Brokers website and select Open Account. Choose an individual account and fill out the application with your personal details. You will then need to upload identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport, for verification. Once approved, link your bank account to fund it, typically with a minimum of $100 to activate trading. After your account is set up, you can easily fund it through various methods like an ACH transfer or a bank wire. Once funds arrive, download and log into the Trader Workstation or TWS platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with its powerful features and customizable layouts. You can arrange your workspace to display real-time quotes, charts, and news feeds, tailoring it to your specific trading style. Now, let's place a trade. Use the search bar to find the ticker symbol for the asset you wish to buy or sell. Select your desired order type, such as a market order or a limit order, and specify the quantity. Always review your order details carefully before submitting it. Interactive Brokers also offers extensive research tools and analyst reports to help you make well-informed investment decisions. Interactive Brokers provides many advanced features, including complex order types and sophisticated options strategies for experienced traders. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you of significant price movements or breaking news related to your holdings. Remember to regularly review your portfolio performance and adjust your strategy as needed. For more great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.